Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Cabinet Secretary stresses on restoration of power and telecom services in FANI cyclone-affected areas of Odisha. National Crisis Management Committee under the Cabinet Secretary Shri P.K. Sinha reviewed relief measures in the cyclone FANI affected areas of Odisha, West Bengal, and Andhra Pradesh with the States and Central Ministries concerned. Cabinet Secretary directed that restoration of power and telecommunication facilities be accorded top priority, and Ministry of Power and Department of Telecommunications to coordinate with Odisha Government. Cabinet Secretary also suggested that public sector companies in power and oil and gas sector contribute towards relief efforts under their CSR funding. Railways have reintroduced 85 of the 138 cancelled trains. The main line to Bhubaneswar has commenced operations, while Puri will be ready to receive trains in about 4 to 5 days. The Defence Ministry, through special transport planes and helicopters, moved medicines and other relief material.